Can you install any APK on Roku? Know the facts.
Hello and welcome to today's topic of discussion, installing APKs on Roku. We'll be exploring whether you can install any APK or just specific ones on your Roku device.
What is an APK?
First, it's important to understand what we mean by APK. APK stands for Android Package, which is the package file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps. Basically, when you download an app from Google Play, you're actually downloading an APK file.
Can you install APKs on Roku?
Here is where things become a bit complicated. Roku runs on a custom Linux distribution called Roku OS, which is not compatible with Android. This means that you cannot directly install any APK files on a Roku device as you would on an Android device.
Are there workarounds?
Yes, there are workarounds, but they don't involve directly installing APKs on Roku. One common method is screen mirroring, which allows you to replicate your Android device's screen on your Roku device. This way, you can display the contents of an Android app on your Roku device. However, this is not the same as installing the app directly on the Roku device itself.
What are the limitations?
Remember, while screen mirroring can be a handy way to view content from an Android app on your Roku device, it has its limitations. The major limitation is that the mirrored app's performance relies heavily on your Android device. If your Android device experiences issues or if you close the app on your Android device, it will also close on your Roku device. In conclusion, while it might be disappointing to some, you can't directly install APKs on a Roku device due to system compatibility issues. However, workarounds like screen mirroring allow you to still enjoy your favorite Android apps on your Roku. Hopefully, this explanation has cleared up your query. Thanks for watching.